Do you believe that the FBI and CIA have been covering up ET, extraterrestrial, and UFO information over the many years, the decades of years?
Well, there's a three-way split here. The Air Force intelligence, everything related to Air Force intelligence, had the main control over what was going on. The Navy probably had a piece of the action, but that's a lot harder to find. The FBI was given information by the Air Force, which the Air Force didn't give to the American public, namely the top generals that concluded that these were interplanetary and there was nothing they could do about them. The CIA went and interviewed the Air Force Project Blue Book to find out what was going on. And Project Blue Book effectively lied to the CIA, giving the CIA the impression that everything could be explained. Nevertheless, the CIA in the late 1952, was worried enough about sightings to propose a special investigation group. Now, there was a special investigation group that panned the whole subject. Basically came up with the idea that everything should be debunked to get rid of sightings. And that's about where the CIA stood. The CIA in the late 40s and early 50s were more like onlookers and trying to figure out what's going on and being active participants in the cover-up. The CIA did try to cover up the fact that it was involved. And if it hadn't been for the Freedom of Information Act, we probably still wouldn't know the CIA had been involved in it at all.
With everyone having their theories relating to why a government-affiliated branch like the CIA or the FBI would want to cover up this type of information, but why do you believe they want to keep visiting extraterrestrial top secret areas when they want to continue to cover it up from us? And if their disclosure, what do you think of the outcome of what they find? What do you think that outcome would be if the population gets a hold of that information?
Well, I don't know what top secret information they have. There must be something that they worry about would have a severe impact on civilization if the information were to come forward. As you may well imagine, there are certain things that they might have found out that the aliens are going to eat us or something bizarre like that, and decided to keep it all secret so that the civilization wouldn't fall apart. We're talking about some pretty heavy stuff here. Creatures from, I call them other intelligences or non-human intelligence. Extraterrestrial in the sense of coming here in spaceships seems to be sort of the simplest to understand, but there may be more bizarre things going on. The universe is not only stranger than we understand, it could be stranger than we can understand.